Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of TechnoSpike. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually integrate your Fena payment method like this. Now we don't have the terminal ID and terminal secret for it. How you are going to find it? So you need to go to the Fena side, which is I guess this one. Yep. And what you need to do is you need to go to Toolkit, and then in the top right corner there will be settings and the API keys. You need to go there, and once you have here you can generate new one or you can copy the old one. So I have this one. So you need to paste these B2B application URLs which I have provided you, like the webhook URLs. This might be given to you from your company, and then the redirect URL as well. Once you do it, you need to save it, and then you can copy these terminals from here. Like I am copying this one, and we need to paste it here respectively. Similarly the other one, and then we need to actually validate this one. Then there will be bank appearing. For now, for this company we don't have any bank accounts attached, so you need to select your bank. Then this would be disabled. You need to enable it, and then you have to just save it. So that's it. Totally you have to do. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. For more this kind of content, like, subscribe and share.